Good morning, children. Arithmetic progression. We are continuing exercise 5.3. Question number 3. In an AP, A is equal to 5, D is equal to 3, AN equal to 50, find N and Sn. AP, A is equal to 5, D is equal to 3, AN equal to 50. You need to find out N and Sn. So AN equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. AN is given 50, A is 5, N minus 1 into D is 3. 5 plus, so 50 minus 5 is N minus 1 into 3. So N minus 1 into 3 is 45. N minus 1 is 45 by 3, 15. So N is equal to 15 plus 1 is 16. So you got N is equal to 60. Then you need to find out Sn. You have learned two formula. One is n by 2 is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Other one is Sn equal to n by 2 a plus l. First formula Sn equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Both the formula you can use it, but you see here n by 2 into a plus l. L is the last term. Last term is given here n50, n50. First term is given 5. Then n also you got, so you can use this formula. So Sn equal to 16 by 2, n is 60. Sn means S16. N values 16, S16 equal to 16 by 2 into A is 5, last term is A and that is 50, so this is 8 into 55. So S16, that is Sn equal to 440, N is 60. So many 10, 11 questions are there, parts are there for the third question. I will do the alternate one. Then you have to do the next. I will do 1, 3, 5, 7 like that. You do 2, 4, 6 as homework. So A12 is equal to 37. D is equal to 3. 5A and S12. S12 is 37, A12 is 37, D is equal to 3. So D is equal to 3, A12 is 37. What is A12? A12 is A plus 11D. That is AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. N minus 1 is 12 minus 1 is 11. So A12 you can write it as A plus 11D. So A plus 11D. A12 is A plus 11D. A12 value is 37. A is, you don't know A, 11 into 3, 33. A plus 33. So A is equal to 37 minus 33 is 4. You got A as 4 and D as 3, and you want S12. S12 means sum of the first 12 terms is S12. This S12 is sum of the first 12 terms. So therefore A12 is 37. A12 is 37 means 12 terms means this you can take it as the last term. So you can write down S12. You can write down Sn equal to n by 2 A plus L, S12 equal to 12 by 2, A is 4, the last term A12 is 37, 6 into 41, so 246 is the S12. Now fifth one, D is equal to 5, S9 is 75, find A and A9. So Sn equal, Sn is, S9 is given 75. So I am writing Sn equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. S9 equal to 9 by 2, 2a plus n is 9, 9 minus 1 into d is 5. What is the value of S9? 75. 75 equal to 9 by 2, 2a plus 8 into 5 is 40. This 2 and 9 I am taking to this side, so 75 into 2 by 9. Equal to, this you can do one thing, you can take 2 out here, 9 by 2 into 2, a plus 20, this 2 and 2 cancel, then a plus 20 equal to 75 by 9, 3, 25 by 3, so a is equal to 25 by 3 minus 20. So A is equal to minus 35 by 3. So the value of A you got minus 35 by 3. Now you need to find out A9. What is A9? A plus 8D. A plus 8D. A is given minus 35 by 3 plus 8 into D is 5. Minus 35 by 3 plus 40. Minus 35 by, this is 120 by 3. Minus 35 plus 1, the 120 by 3. So 120 minus 35. So it is 85 by 3. Therefore, A9 is 85 by 3 and A is minus 35 by 3. I hope all of you understood. Sn is n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into 2. Sn is S9, 9 by 2, 2a plus 8d. Value of d you substitute. You want the value of A. That value of A, A9 is a plus 8d. You substitute value of A and d and find it. Seventh part. A is equal to 8, AN equal to 62, SN equal to 210, find N and D. First term is given, AN and SN. AN is the last term, SN is also given. So then you can write down SN equal to N by 2 A plus L. What is the value of SN? SN is 210. We don't know the N value, N by 2. A is 8, 8 plus 62. N by 2 into 70 is 210. So 35, N is equal to 210. N is equal to 210 by 35, 75. So N is equal to 6. Now you need to find out the value of D. So here value of A is there, N is there, you need to find out this. So what is AN? AN is A plus N minus 1 into D. AN is 62, A is 8, N is 6, 6 minus 1 into D. So it is 62 minus 8, this is 5D, 54, 5D, D is equal to 54 by 5. So you got N is equal to 6 and D is equal to 54 by 5. Now ninth one, A is equal to 3, N is equal to 8, S is equal to 192 and find D. A is equal to 3, N is equal to 8 and S is equal to 192. Again you take the formula Sn. Sn equal to N by 2 into 2A plus N minus 1 into D. Here the N is 8 means S is given 192 means S, this is S8. So this is S8 is 192. So therefore you can write down this is 192. Then what is the value of N? N is 8. 8 by 2. 2 into 3 plus 8 minus 1 into D. This is 4. 6 plus 7D. 192. 6 plus 7D is 192 by 4. 48. 6 plus 7D. Then now 7D is equal to 48 minus 6 is 42. D is equal to 42 by 7. So therefore D is equal to 42 by 7. 6. So D, value of D is 6. Now 10th question, third question 10. L is equal to 28, S is equal to 144, N is equal to 9, find A. L means you know it is the last term, that is AN. AN is the last term, that is 28. Therefore this is Sn. Sn equal to 144. S is 1 for N is 9. So this is S9. N is given 9. So it is S9. So you can write down the formula Sn equal to N by 2 A plus L. Value of Sn is 144. N is 9, 9 by 2. A you don't know. Last term is 28. So it is 144 into 2 by 9 is A plus 28. Into 2. So it is 16 into 2. So A plus 28 is 32. Then A is equal to 32 minus 28 is 4. The value of A is 4. Simply this S is 144 and N is 9 means this is S9. S9 and this will be A9. That is the last step. Question number 5. First term of AP is given 5. So I am writing A is 5. First term is given 5. The last term is given 45. Sum is given 400. Find number of terms, that is and common difference. A, this is last term, you know, last term is given A and N is 45 and S is, for that Sn is 400. Same way you take the formula because the last term is given, so Sn equal to N by 2 A plus N. This is 400, N by 2. You have to find out N first. So N by 2, A plus L. 5 plus 45 is N by 2 into 50. So 25 N is equal to 400. N is equal to 400 by 25. So the value of N is equal to 16. You need to find out common difference D. Last term is given 45, last term is AN. AN is 45, AN is A plus N minus 1 into D. 45 equal to A plus N is given. What is N? N you got it as 16. So it is 16 minus 1 D. You have to find out D. D, A is given 5. 45 minus 5 equal to 15D. So it is 15D is equal to 40. D is equal to 40 by 50. 8 by 7th one, find sum of first 22 terms of an AP in which D is equal to 7 and 22nd term is 149. You should understand the difference between 22nd term and the sum of the first 22 terms. Sum of the first 22 term is S22. 22nd term is A22. Remember, 22nd term is A22 is equal to 149. Find the sum of first 22 terms. So that is S22. You need to find out given D is equal to 7. So here A22 is given. So what is A22? A22 is A plus 21D. So A22 is 149. A you don't know. 21 into 7. 147. A is equal to 149 minus 147 is 2. The value of A you got it as 2. So now you know A is 2, D is 7, N is 22. The value of N, the number of term is 22. So then you can find out Sn. Sn 22, A22 means sum of 22 terms. Therefore, A22 is the last term. This is the last term. So, you can use n by 2, A plus L. So, S22 is 22 by 2. A is 2, L is 149. So, this is 11 into 151. 1661. Therefore, sum of first 22 term is 1661. So you need to do the homework. Question number 3. All alternate question. The third question, second, 4th, 6th, 8. These questions do it as homework.